All right, why do I make videos when nobody's watching? Well, maybe you've thought that before. I know I have. But first, this is what we need to tell ourselves. Somebody is watching. You're watching right now. So that thing about why are we making videos because nobody's watching? Hey, if one person's watching, you watching this right now, you might be that only person watching me right now. That's why we make the video. Because I got something to say. I got something to share. And if one person can watch this video and getting something out of it, okay, whatever that might be, that is exactly what I'm here for. Now, there's obviously some other reasons, of course, why we shoot the video, but that's the most important. Somebody is watching, so don't think for a minute that you're wasting your time shooting these videos because you're 𝗕𝗢𝗡𝗨𝗦 not. All right, another thing, right? Embracing the learning process, right? Experimentation. So number one, we've got to find what our audience likes, right? What do you like? So we got lawnmowers out there. So we've got to experiment, right? This is all a learning process. And in order for us to get better, we have to shoot videos, right? Continue to shoot videos. We got a lawnmower headed right over there, kind of walking away. So we got to continue to shoot videos because it's a learning process and we got to embrace this process. So experiment, right? See what y'all want. But most importantly, if we're gonna get sharper in our skills, because a lot of people struggle when it comes to communication, talking, they're afraid of the camera. And so you've got to embrace the learning process. And then of course, just experiment, right? On what people, we'll go back this way. Experiment on what people wanna watch. Y'all might hear that lawnmower. Kind of just walking around out here in nature. I love doing this. Number one, it's great exercise, right? I'm 49 years old, gaining weight. Gotta get out here and walk around, hang out with y'all, talk, right? Nothing better to do, plus it's a great day. All right, so another reason why we're shooting videos is focusing on authenticity, right? It's not a popularity contest. Not doing YouTube for a popularity contest. I've accepted my channel is never going to be as big as a lot of those other channels out there, right? But it doesn't matter. This is not a popularity contest whatsoever. This is about authenticity, just being you, right? Being ourselves. This is who I am, man. You know, I'm a very loud guy, outspoken, you know. I say a lot of things, man. I got a lot of power behind my voice, but it's all about authenticity. I want people that one person that's watching to watch you because of your authenticity, right? Like that, what was it, 𝗕𝗢𝗡? I made a video yesterday talking about that girl, 𝗕𝗢𝗡, right? Yeah, she's definitely authentic. She don't care, right? We can't care. This is about just hanging out with our buddies, right? And getting better. And saying stuff that, you know, we want to say, that we believe whoever's watching, and there is somebody, that it matters, all right? Not only that, it builds a foundation for success. Making these videos builds a foundation for success. Plus, you know, I've got kids. I've got 3 kids, and it shows my kids that, hey, no matter what, right? I mean, I'm struggling here in this YouTube to get a lot of views. There ain't no doubt about that. Like y'all know. Sometimes I go all in, I put so much work into it, and a video gets like 10 views, and I get real discouraged, but I gotta stop and tell myself, that's 10 people that cared. And I appreciate every single one of you 10 people that cared. And so in this particular case, we're building that foundation because we're showing our kids that, hey, no matter what, we don't stop, right? We don't stop. You got something to share, you share it. That's why we post videos even though nobody's watching. We got something to say. We share it. Because that one person that watches makes all the difference. Now, another reason is we got to understand our niche or our target. Well, I don't really like that word niche, man. I've been hearing that shit from so many big channels for so long. But our target audience, We got to understand you. What do you like? Right? The people that watch you, what do you like? And in order to find that, we got to post videos, man. We got to put them out there, Y'all know I trade live. And I post videos on this channel every day about the financial markets. But guess what? Maybe a lot of y'all don't give a shit. That's fine, right? Some of y'all might. So I keep doing it because of the 1 or 2 people who actually care. But in order for us to find our target audience or our niche, guess what? We gotta post and post and post, right? So I think that's super important as well. Why we do this? Why we post these videos, right? So we can get better and we can understand what our audience. I heard somebody say this the other day about this girl who she was posting. She was talking to the camera like this, got so many views. And then she did this video where she put all this effort into a thumbnail, title, all this stuff, and she got like 100 views. It went from like hundreds of thousands of views to like 100. She was doing a video blog. And then I heard this person say that her audience likes video blogs, they just don't like her video blog. They like when she just talks in the camera just like this with her authenticity, right? Finding the people that she can resonate with, that resonate with her, and then sharing her message. And then again, understanding, you know, it's about the journey. It's not about the views. It really is. You know, I've been focusing, maybe like some of y'all, too much on these damn views, right? Get discouraged because I don't get many views, but it's the journey. It's the process. It's finding the people who really care the most. Take a look at my house, man. Y'all saw, right? Close to my house. It's my house, just kind of walking around. It's real sunny out here, so I don't want to kind of put too much in the camera if I can blind y'all. But that's it right there, right? Finding value in the journey, not just the views. As hard as it may be. Yeah, you know, in here, I know there's some people making a lot of money on YouTube. That's cool. I mean, I guess it's possible. I am monetized. And on a great month, I might make $100, which again, hey, there's a lot of people that aren't making anything. So I don't want to, you know, badmouth that, because hey, $100 is $100. But that's it right there. Again, I think I'll leave with this here. To me, that the most important out of all that, other than finding your journey, finding your target audience, your authenticity, embracing the process, is why do we shoot these videos when nobody's watching? Because somebody is watching. You're watching right now. I'm super grateful and super appreciative for that. You better believe it. All right, y'all take it easy.